Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine. Howdy guys, good morning, and today you join me from Blyton Park in Gainsborough. Today we are on a loose cannon track day, which is a new one. I've done no limits before, MSV, but this is a loose cannon track days, and I spoke to a guy there who gave us loads of advice and advised us come down, give me some tuition. Now the best bit about this track day is it's actually 2 days, so I'm hoping to learn a lot. And Jimmy, the owner, is actually going to take us around, give us some advice. So came up last night, camped over, did a track walk, so massive thanks to Jimmy from Loose Cannon. And yeah, that's it really. So we're going to jump out, do a couple of sessions, hopefully build confidence today to then start pushing tomorrow and actually really improve on the bike. That's the whole main aim of this. Sighting laps, and I've just had a chat with Jimmy, and at some point we'll get out today and get some tuition, which is what I've been waiting for. As you know, total novice. This is my 4th track day now, and I'm going to have 2 days straight, and hopefully we'll learn a lot. So what I'll do is I'll go out, film a lap without having any tuition, and then we'll film something later on and just see how I've progressed through the day. So just an update, obviously we sorted the bike out, it wasn't too bad. I had that off earlier. My knee's killing me, my foot's killing me, but I got straight back on it and was told that's the best thing to do, and it's not knocked me confidence. I've looked back at the footage and I hit a bit of water on the front wheel, and that's what sent me off actually, so it wasn't my riding style. One of the instructors has said that he'll come out with us now, so I'll film it and hopefully I can pick up a lot. I really find this biking stuff hard, but I suppose I'm novice and I'm learning, and you know, hopefully I'll give some of you guys who have never been on a track the confidence to get on. been out with Jimmy a couple of times today. He's just preparing my bike a little bit better than what it was. Obviously, when I got this bike, I didn't do anything to it, and the actual riding positions in terms of the foot pegs and the bars, not really set up for my body type. So hopefully this will help me. It's been out a couple of times, and massive thanks to Loose Cannon Track Days today, to be fair. They've really helped me, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
It's been a cracking day. Yeah. Really enjoyed having you here. So what we're doing now is we noticed that your feet were too far forward on the pegs, and then you didn't look too comfortable on it. You're too big for the riding position that you've got on. And now we're just bringing the bars out a touch wider, so that'll put less strain on your upper body, so you can relax your upper body a little bit more. And also,
you were saying it was dead stiff, wasn't you?
Yeah, quite stiff on the top, which a lot of riders do. But it'll also give you more leverage into the corners, so it'll be easier to turn.
Obviously, I'm a novice, as you all know, but new beginners, novices, advanced, made for everyone, really, don't you?
Yeah, we tend to get quite a lot of novices. We get new racers, new track days, but yeah, we tend to get a lot of novices, and our novices always tend to come back. So,
well, I think for me personally, when you get support and advice on a day, which as a novice is what you want, this has been perfect, really. That's probably why you get a lot of that, don't you?
Well, we all started that, so it's a shame to be put off straight away and then not to come back. But the sport will die out if we don't have novices going to ranks.
That's a fair point. And like you said, I had my up earlier today. The first thing you said was get back on the bike. We did, cleaned it up, got back on the bike, and it's been good, really. Well, that being said, thanks a lot for today. I've had a wicked day. Looking forward to tomorrow. More footage. With me and you will get hopefully back out again. And it's just been fantastic. Have a look at Loose Cannon Track Days. They've been really helpful today. And I've just had a wicked time. They've helped me build my confidence up. And slowly improving and getting there. Catch you in a bit, guys.